What's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to do Mikey kick number 2 and number 1. Click here for the link. So first, I have to tell you something. I'm not good English. That's the literally thing I have to tell you. Because I'm good for accent, but I'm not good for grammar. My grammar is so bad, but yeah. I think we can talking. First, today I'm gonna show you Mikey kick, right? And this move in the tricking, we call it 548 kick. This move is really hard to run or flat take for beginner. Whoever don't have basic kick, if you don't have that, this move gonna make you hurt. If you want to run this move, you have to good basic kick. I mean tornado kick, route kick, hook kick, strong angle, strong leg. That's what I mean. First step, if you want to do, you have to good tornado kick like this. This is the tornado kick. I think I know this is easy, but 548 kick is not easy for beginner like this. But if you want to run this move, tornado kick is easy way to run. If you can't do route kick, bam. It's so easy, but tornado kick you have to do like this. You stand here, this position, and turn around. Your elbow up, knee up. If you use right leg to kick, you have to turn around on this side. Elbow up, knee up, and switch. Kick, bam. Easy. One more time. Turn around, elbow up, in the same time, knee up, and switch in the air, and kick. Easy. But in 540, we don't kick like that. If you use right leg to kick, you have to kick on the air, and then when you land, you have to land by your right leg, not your left leg. That's very hard to landing, but don't worry, I have easy way to run. This you have to do like a tornado kick. Turn around, elbow up, knee up, and right leg, kick on the air, bam, and then switch, bam, and turn around. One more time. I think this move is like a jump spinning, but we have to use just only one leg like this, and then jump and spin. One more time, up your leg and up your body, jump, spin. Okay, next step, if you can't do jump and spin, you have to do kick a little bit. I mean, kick a little bit like this. I don't know what you call it. I'm not good English, you know, I'm not good grammar, but I try to speak to you understand, but it's really hard. I'm good for accent, I know, but very hard to teaching something to people. Yeah, sorry. Okay, next, do tornado kick, and in the same time, jump and spin. Tornado kick. Elbow up, knee up, and then jump and spin. Push, jump, and spin. But in the last one, you jump like this. And next step, you have to jump and then snap. Tornado kick, turn around, elbow up, knee up, and then shuffle, kick, bam, and switch. So when you start to run for beginner, you don't kick too high. That's not possible for you. It's very hard. When you want to kick high, bam, like this, you have to keep going every day to practice, to run, to training. I mean, every day. I don't know how, but every day until you can't do it. You just kick like this. I mean, not high, not too high. Just kick, bam, until landing. Boop, boop. Progression. When you're on the air, your right foot swing up and turn down. When you're landing like this and turn around again. Boop. Put your knee up on the air. You have to snap kick bam and keep your leg back and landing by the right leg and turn around. Okay, one more time. Turn around, knee up, elbow up, and then swing your right leg up and kick. And now we still in the air. Kick, bam, and swing feet on the floor and turn around. Let me show you full combo. And if you want to kick very high, you just kick on the air very, very high. Bam! Like this. Oh, I forgot something. When you kick on the air, your eyes have to looking at floor. Kick and look at some object on your face. Kick up your leg and switch and kick, bam, swing down on the floor, turn around and look at the same plate. Okay, let me show you again. Turn around and look at this plate and jump up, kick, bam, and turn around, look at the same plate. If you want to do this move to perfect, to good, you have to keep going and training, practice very, very hard to every day. If you don't understand what I say, what I told you, that my English is so bad, my grammar is so bad, but I good for accent, but you know, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it's helpful. Let me know your comment down below. Like, subscribe, share. And yeah, goodbye. See you next time. See you next clip. Bye. I'm so tired, bro.